this is Chantel from WTI. I like the least amount of clutter on my countertops, and although this was doing the job and working just fine, I was really happy when I found this rolling drying rack by Kraus. The mat is a silicone coated stainless steel, so it's very heavy duty and can hold a lot of dishes. And I love how easy it is to roll up to allow more sink space. It's perfect for washing veggies and fruit and draining dishes. I absolutely love that it is dishwasher safe because that is such a time saver. Does anyone else have dogs that try to clean your dishes for you? The beagles are always waiting for a crumb. And one more thing I just recently discovered is using this mat as a hot plate for items hot out of the oven. I didn't realize when I purchased this that it would become one of my favorite kitchen accessories, but that's just my point of view.